How's it going, guys? I want to welcome you guys to an Aquarian Motiv8 moment. This is Lysander Vereen here from Aquarian Motiv8, and I'm sitting out here enjoying this nice beauty out here. And one of the things that we got to do is we got to come out here and we have to maintain the property every so often. Definitely have to come out here at least once a week, you know. And every week, at least once a week, we come out here and we do that, so that it's become a habit. We kept doing it, recurring, keeps going on and on, it becomes a habit. And one of the things about habits is a lot of us tend to think that just because we have a habit, it makes us who we are, right? And so we try to define ourselves by our habits. So like, if I come out here and I cut this grass every week, I'm in the habit of cutting the grass, but does that make me a landscaper? That does not. That it doesn't. Believe me, nowhere near professional landscaper. Okay, as you guys can see, I only do what I can do here. But the point is, just because you do have a habit, it does not make you who you are. It's who you are that should make your habits. You see what I'm saying? So it's not because I come and cut the grass that I'm a landscaper, but it's because I like a place of serene beauty and a place of sanctuary that I can come to. And because I'm that person who likes to have sanctuary, I have the habit of making this a sanctuary for us. And that is how that game should work. That is how that dynamic should work. You should not classify yourself on your habits. You should not classify yourself by your habits. Your habits should be classified by who you are. And it takes work to do sometimes, and it takes change, and it takes cutting bad habits. It takes cutting even some good habits. But if the habits aren't fruiting you, well then they're not really that great at all for you anyway. So it's definitely something that we want to take a look at whenever we're looking at our self-growth and our personal growth. We want to look at our habits and see if they reflect who we are, as opposed to classifying who we are reflecting our habits. Alright guys, I hope this has been informational. I want to thank you guys for landing on such a great page, aquarianmotiv8.com. Remember to go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the ding ding notification for me, and also visit me at www.aquarianmotiv8.com, where there's a whole lot more information and resources available for you. Alright, I want to thank you guys so much. Have an awesome day.